Peekaboo. It's a peekaboo. You happy baby this morning? Huh? I love this little man. And Mr. Piercy Pan. Love you more than the sun in the big blue sky. More than the moon that hangs out at night. More than all the millions and millions of stars. Piercy Pan special, yes you are. Love that baby boy. Ready to eat? Are you ready to eat something?